Okay guys, it's still dark. It's after 6 o'clock a.m. in the morning in Lithuania, and we'll be trying Skoda Octavia to return in ignition on where everything is turned off. Okay, so I'll make a few times like this. So yesterday evening I turned it on a little bit. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, great. So should be fine, I guess. Should be fine. Oh my god, it's so cold here. Actually, when I'll be driving, it will be showing a little bit less, I guess, to -22, but that's not that bad. So all looks fine now, so I guess everything is fine by now. So it keeps dropping the RPM, so shouldn't be any problem anymore. So within like 1 minute, 2 minutes, so still very strong. So this is it, everything is fine. Yeah, the consumption keeps dropping, so everything is fine. Okay guys, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. Now we'll be turning on another car. So as you can see, everything is working just fine. This is my car. Okay.